Oh my gosh, guys, so they are going to be so cute. Wait until the end. So I literally thought I was recording a second ago and wasn't. That's why you see gloss already on this one. So I was finishing these up and I was like, well, let me just go ahead and start the camera here. But I decided not to do any zhuzhing. They're really cute to me. They're exactly how I wanted. This is what I use. The Mod Podge Dimensional Magic gives a 3D effect, makes it look like resin, doesn't take as long to dry. It's literally dry within a few hours. You want to let it dry completely because if not, it'll be cloudy. So you'll know when it's dry because it'll give a clear gloss finish. So here I am, I'm basically holding the camera. That's why I'm going in front of you guys. This was not the best recording, but nevertheless, we're getting to the point here. And I made a complete mess. I had to clean this table up, but you'll notice drill holes in this table because this is my craft table. Even though I do use it as a dining room table, I consider it and call it rustic. Anyway, it is what it is, and I love it. I love that about it, so I could care less. But here I am spreading everything out and making everything go to the edges, because you want to make sure what happens with the Dimensional Magic is it can shrink back a little bit. So as you'll see me going throughout the video, I'm really pushing it towards the edge, and then the way that you saw me squeeze the bottle for it all to come out at once, that's to avoid air bubbles, because nothing's worse than when you get to the end and you have air bubbles in your project. And it doesn't work the same as resin, the Dimensional Magic, because with resin you can turn the lighter on and you can work out and work through the air bubbles and the air pockets, but you can't do that with this. It doesn't work like that. So here I am sliding it to the side and fighting with the camera, and also had put too much on there, so I had to pour it off. So finally, the orange ones I think look like fried eggs to me. So you could pass these off as daisies or fried eggs, but I think they came out really, really pretty. So I just need to add all the backs to these, or the hangings I should say. You can make these into clip-ons if you want to. You could also make them into post-back earrings. I drilled a hole, so I didn't think about that until later on. But let's say I wanted to make this a post back. I could take the pointed part of the post earring that has that flat flush surface, push it through the hole, glue it down, and then I could glue something decorative onto that flush part, and it would be a post earring. So when you're making jewelry, remember our clip-on sisters, right? Remember our post back sisters that like flat jewelry. Not everyone wants something to hang, and especially if they have long ear holes like I do. So I'm going to be quiet so you can, you know, relax and watch me move the gel around. Just kidding, I can't stop talking. But let's watch here and then we'll pick back up on the next pair.